Do you struggle with dry, flaky skin that never seems to stay hydrated? Well, you're not alone, and today, we're going to reveal the best skincare products that actually work for dry skin. But before subscribing for tips that make your routine simple and effective. Alright, let's get into it. Number 5. Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. Think of this as the foundation of your skincare. Harsh cleansers strip away natural oils, leaving your skin tighter than ever. A gentle hydrating cleanser, like CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser or La Roche-Posay Hydrating Cleanser, removes dirt without robbing your skin of its natural moisture. Number 4. Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Dry skin craves water, and hyaluronic acid acts like a magnet, pulling hydration deep into your skin. A great example is the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, which is affordable yet incredibly effective. Number 3. Rich Moisturizer. This is the armor your skin needs. Look for ones packed with ceramides and fatty acids, ingredients that lock in hydration and repair the skin barrier. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream or Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream are both holy grails for people with dry skin. Number 2. Nourishing Facial Oil. Sometimes, moisturizer alone isn't enough. Adding a nourishing oil like rosehip seed oil or squalane oil gives your skin an extra cushion against dryness, especially at night. And number 1. Sunscreen for dry skin. Yes, even dry skin needs sunscreen. In fact, skipping it can make dryness worse. Look for hydrating formulas like Eltund UV Daily Broad Spectrum SPF 40 or Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel SPF 30. So, if you want soft, glowing skin, try combining these products into your routine. Your skin will thank you. And don't click away just yet. Coming up next, we've got our list of the best moisturizers for dry skin. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.